Hi guys, so I'm very late in getting this Meebox unboxing up on my YouTube as a little bit of the weather got in the way and then I went on holiday. So I'm finally opening the February box and I'm aware it's almost time for the March box to be sent out, but these things happen. So let us see what came in February. Okay, so first one I have picked out is a nail polish remover. We have some glitter. We have an Is polish. We have Annika. We have a blue glitter. We have an NCLA. And lastly, as always, your swatch sticks. So let's take a closer look at what we got. So we have had one of these before. It's called the Grape Escape. It is actually scented, so it's raspberry and grape scented and it's acetone free. It has got a nice scent to it because I remember using it up my last bottle pretty quickly. So this time we also have two loose glitters. We've got this one called Claudia and this one called Naomi. So we've got a dark blue and we've got a neon orange. These are in glass jars, which feel really good quality. And there's quite a lot of product in there as well. I'll just open this one to let you have a look at the blue as well. So moving on now to the polishes. So there is 3 included. So we've got the Is London. This one's called Ball Gown. And it's a bit of a bronze, maybe towards a rose gold metallic. Be interesting to see how that one comes out on the nail. The Annika is a soft blue. It's not quite a baby blue, but it is a very pale shade. And it's simply called Pool Party. And the last polish is a full glitter one, and as you can see it is purple and it's called Let's Go Party. So yep, that is what was included in the February Meebox. Very late, I know. I will do my live swatch video as always so you can see how these 3 apply to the nail. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.